We got a great condo, another great condo for under $1 million with a 1-car garage. Actually, this is a condo, but it's actually a 4-plex. And the good news is they don't have an HOA. So they just have a loose agreement where everybody works together. So if you're going to buy this, you got to be a nice person because all the other neighbors are nice people and they all work together to take care of the building. So it's just a loose, casual agreement. There's no HOAs with all the rules and restrictions and everything. So you do get a 1-car garage. And one of the exciting things about this, even though it's in a 4-plex, you have a yard. There's actually a yard. They actually have a little greenhouse and garden. So it's really nice. So all of this is listed for about $899,000. We are right in the central part of Incline Village. So all the shopping, the beaches are probably 7 or 8 blocks that way. There's a shopping center over there. There's a shopping center over there. You're right in the heart of Incline Village. So let's go check out this 2-bedroom plus a loft condo. So this is the entryway to come in. We've got a nice slate entryway, so you don't have to worry about people coming in with snow boots or anything like that. And you come right into the great room. They updated the hardwood floors here and is being sold furnished as well. We've got a wood burning stove over there, so you can keep this nice and cozy in the wintertime and you get that nice wood burning smell. We want to check it out. Let's come around here. We've got storage under the stairs, which is great. We've got a half bath here, so if you're entertaining on this floor, you don't have to go upstairs or anything like that, which is very convenient. I like that because some places, I was in a place the other day, I was showing property, and there was no bath on that floor. So if you're entertaining, people had to go upstairs to go to the bathroom, so they're looking to need it. But they didn't do that here. They did it right. So we've got a half bath right here. Very convenient. You walk in. We've got a galley kitchen here, so everything's nice and close. You got a little bit of storage right here, like your pantry, refrigerator, dual sinks. I like that. Or I should say, not dual sink, this is a split sink. And then we've got the nice stove here, so dishwasher. Let's go check out the yard over here. So having a place under $1 million with a garage and a yard, so if you have a dog or if you want to do any gardening like that, is a rare find at Incline Village. So nice house. I like what they've done out here because there's a deck above this. And decks, they have the boards, and so they drip. So what they've done is they put some corrugated, looks like plastic, corrugated plastic, which drips into this gutter and gets out. So you can be out here and not get dripped on. I really like that. So check out this yard. They've got a little storage shed out there. They've got a greenhouse. Looks like they're growing some zucchini in there, and it looks like cucumbers maybe. I've grown those in my own place. So good. And just being able to have a yard for under $1 million is something spectacular. So before we go upstairs, I'm gonna check out all about the skiing is a dance and the mountain owns the lead. So if you're in Tahoe, there's a really good chance you're gonna be a skier. So I've seen people live here skiers, and this is their attitude. I like that. That's super cool. So let's go upstairs and check out the 2 bedrooms and the loft. Okay, so this is the middle level here. We have 2 bedrooms, good sized bedrooms that share this bath. So the full bath here that's gonna service these 2 bedrooms. So let's check out this 1 bedroom. So we've got 2 beds in here. And this bedroom's probably what I call the prime bedroom. It's got a deck out there. 2 beds, a decent sized closet there that facilitates the whole room. So also pretty good ceilings here too. Really don't see such high ceilings for a property built in 1980. So here's another bedroom here. Also has a good sized closet, not as big as the other one. So I would say that other bedroom is probably the master bedroom, but a very good sized bedroom, tall ceilings, closet, everything you need, nice and comfortable. So now we can go upstairs and check out the loft. So we're still on the main floor, and we've got a laundry area here, which is really nice, being able to have everything, compact here. Then we're gonna go upstairs and we'll check out the loft. It's always nice to have another place, more room for people. With that bed here, we've got storage behind the wall over here, so you can jam all your mountain bikes and everything else you want to haul up the stairs and fit in here. But it's always good to have overflow space, so I like that. So having a loft is pretty cool. Hi everybody, it's Tahoe Tony. My last name is Tuoto, but I go by Tahoe Tony just to keep things simple. I'm the managing broker for eXp Real Estate at Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. And if you're thinking about coming to Lake Tahoe, you want to get more information about making the move to Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, go ahead, subscribe below, click on the notification bell, and you'll be the first one notified when I put out another video about the current market real estate in Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. And every day, my team and I get phone calls, text messages, and emails from people just like you who are looking to make the move to Incline Village, Nevada. So if you're thinking about moving in 6 days, 6 weeks, or 6 months, give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text, and I guarantee, my team and I guarantee that your move to the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe will be the best move you've ever had.